Okay, so uh, we almost finished with this jacket. All the panels are sort of sewn together now, and the only thing that is left uh, are the zippers. The one that must come here, and the other two that must come here. So for the pockets, it's getting a zipped pockets. So I'll buy the zippers tomorrow. So then it will be quick. The hoodie will be finished within half an hour or so. Um, just maybe to show you, all the panels came together nicely. When you do the panels, one must try to make sure that the panels line up properly as far as possible, at least. And then uh, even here by the cuffs, just to make sure that they are nicely aligned. Here you can see. Yeah, so um, it's ready now for tomorrow, just for the zips, and then what we'll do is we'll just put the hoodie as well when we've done the zip. And this is the rib knit or the ribbing that I used. There's places in South Africa that will mills that will knit it for you. That they've got these circular machines, or these machines that goes like this, and then they knit it. That's why there's no cut or lining in here. It's just one single piece. So, but these ones I bought at the local retailer. Um, and the colors match properly. So I thought, let me just make a short video and just show you, because tomorrow there's not much left. We're just going to put the zips. But oh yeah, this is also that I wanted to show you. The seams inside also looks very nice. It's clean seams. Um, they're not lifting up, and that's what I try to do when I make these hoodies, to make sure that the seams are nice and flat. I do a top stitch as well. There's a top stitch here. So yeah, so we'll the next video, if I make one, will be of the finished video of the finished jacket. And but I think it is turning out nicely. I think the only thing with this with these jackets are that I enjoy making them, but it's like it, it, it the whole process, the entire process goes so fast, because once you've done the cutting, like I said, you can make lots of them in one day. So to make one jacket is like maybe 45 minutes to an hour. If your cutting is done and you sit in front of the machines, it just goes like this. There's no ironing here, so you just take all your panels and you go and sit and you do the sewing. Yeah, so that's the only downside, is if you enjoy making them, they go very fast, these jackets. Yeah, okay.